Hello everyone. Good afternoon. How are you today? Say loudly. I am fine. Thank you. Very good. Okay. Now it's time to learn English. So today we will learn formation of letter A. Okay. Today we will learn formation of letter A. First we have learned that we have learned all these things, that which things come from letter A. Okay, which thing start from letter A. So, A for apple. Look here, which letter is this? This is letter A. Which letter is this? Letter A. Okay, which letter is this? Letter A. And A for apple. A for arrow. A for aeroplane. A for ant. Okay. What is the color of apple? Do you eat apple every day? Yes, we have to eat apple every day so that we remain healthy. Okay. So what is the color of apple? Red. Okay. And what is this? This is aeroplane. Where does aeroplane fly? In the sky. And what is this? This is ant. What is this? This is an ant. You see the ant? It is so small. Okay. So, we have learned all the lines. We have learned standing line. We have learned slanting line. Both this side here also. This side also slanting line. And sleeping line. We have learned all these lines. Sleeping line, standing line, slanting line and slanting line. So, today how we will write? Today we will make formation of letter A. What we will do? We will make formation of letter A. So, how you will make? How you will make letter A? Now, look here all of you. Raise your right hand. This is your right hand. Raise your right hand all of you. Yes, very good. Raise your right hand. Yes. So, how you will write? Slanting line, and in middle sleeping line. How you will write? Slanting line, and then sleeping line. Okay? Slanting line, and then sleeping line. Very good. So, which letter is this? Letter A. All of you look here. Look here. We will make letter A. Look here. Which letter is this? Letter A. Which letter is this? Letter A. Do like this, like this. This is slanting line. Slanting line. Okay. And this is sleeping line. Which letter will form? Letter A. Slanting line. Look here. Do all of you? Slanting line. And sleeping line. Which letter will form? Letter A. Slanting line. And then sleeping line. Which letter will form? Letter A. Very good. Okay. Look here at the board all of you. Look at the board. Look here. What you have to do? Look here. All of you look at the board. Yes. All of you look at the board. Now we will start to write letter A. Okay. What we will do? We will start to write letter first. First you have to draw letter A like this. have to tell your mama to draw letter A like this. Okay. You have to color also. You have to color also. Which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line it is this? This is slanting line. Now we will write letter A. Look here, slanting line, and then sleeping line. Wait. We will write not like, we will write properly. We will write properly letter A. Look here, slanting line, and then sleeping line. Okay. We will write letter A like this. What we will do? We will write letter A like this. Take your fingers. You have to color also. You have to color the letter A also. Take your fingers. Now move on the letter A. Slanting line, and then sleeping line. Okay. Again. Now take your pencil. All of you take your pencil. Yes. Start to write slanting line, and then sleeping line. Which letter will form? Letter A. Slanting line, and then sleeping line. Which letter will form? Letter A. How you will write? Slanting line, and then sleeping line. A for apple, A for arrow, A for aeroplane, A for ant, A for alligator. Okay. So which line is this? Sleeping line, standing line, slanting line. Okay. Now we will start to write in your notebook. What we will do? We will start to write letter in notebook. Look here. 4 lines were there in your notebook. 4 lines were there now? Yes. So you have to write neatly and clearly with help of your parents. Now look here. The dots were given. Dots were given like this. Okay. You get the dot note in your notebook like this. So with this dot, join. You have to join the dot. Slanting line, and in middle sleeping line. Okay. You have to join the dots. What you have to do? You have to join the dots. Again, look at the board. All of you, look at the board. Look here. Dots were given now. Dots were given. Yes. So first you have to join this dot with slanting line. What? With slanting line. Okay. Then in between you have to join both the dots by sleeping line. So which letter will form? Letter A. Which letter is this? Letter A. You also say A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, A for ant, A for arrow. Okay, A for alligator. Again look here, all of you. Again look here. Yes, my dears, all of you. Fold your hands and sit properly and look at the board. Okay. What you have, how you will write? You have to join these dots by slanting line. By slanting line. Look here like this. Okay. Now in between you have to write sleeping line. Join the boards. You have to join both the dots by sleeping line. So which letter will form? Letter A. Which letter is this? Letter A. Now we will write in notebook. What you have to do? You have to trace. What you have to do? You have to trace the line. Okay. In first line of notebook, we will trace. What we will do? We will trace the letter A. Okay. writing slanting line, and then sleeping line. Okay, you have to write letter A like this. Again, here slanting line, and then sleeping line. Which letter will form? Letter A. Very good. So, we have to write letter A like this. Again, hold your pencil properly. Take sharpener in eraser. Now look here. Don't write like this. Okay? Don't write like this. This is wrong. You will write like this. This is wrong. This is wrong. Okay? So how you will write? How you have to write? You have to write neatly from upper line to base line like this, letter A. Okay? Don't write like this, big A. Don't write like this. This is wrong and this is right. So you have to write letter A like this neatly. Okay? Again, look here. Now dots were given. What given? Dots. So we have to join the dot, and which letter will form? Letter A will form. Look here. Slanting line, and then sleeping line. Okay, which letter will form? Letter A. A for apple. A for arrow. A for aeroplane. A for ant. Okay, again. Okay, tell your mama to put dots on in your notebook. Okay, and you start writing. How you will write? From first dot, join the dots, slanting line. Again, join the dots and write slanting line. Then what you will do? You will join the middle dot by sleeping line. So, which letter will form? Letter A. Say loudly. Which letter is this? Letter A. I can't able to hear you. So, say loudly. Which letter is this? Letter A. Very good. Next. Again. Look here. Mama will put dots. So, start writing. Join the dots by slanting line. Okay. Slanting line like this. You have to join the dot, slanting line. Then in between you have to write sleeping line. So, which letter will form? Letter A. A for apple. A for arrow. A for aeroplane. A for ant. A for alligator. Again, dots were put in by your mama. Look here. Yes. So, now start writing. What you will do first? You will make slanting line. Then again slanting line. And after that, sleeping line. So, which letter will form? Letter A. Okay. Which line is this? This is a slanting line. Okay. Look here. Start writing. Good. Write neatly. Okay. Write neatly in your notebook. Good? Yes. Look here. Dots were given now in your notebook. So, with the help of your parents, you have to write neatly. Okay? Now look here. What you will do from first dot, you have to join the dots by making slanting line. Again, you have to join the dots by making slanting line. and between you have to join the dots. And which letter will form? Letter A. Letter A will form. Okay. Again, slanting line, and then sleeping line. So which letter will form? Letter A. Which letter will form? Letter A. What you have to do? You have to color all the picture and you have to color letter A also. Okay, you have to color letter A also. So which letter will form? Letter A. Which letter is this? Letter A. Again, look here. Dots were given. Look here, dots were given. Yes or not? Yes, dots were given. So what you will do? You will write slanting line, and then sleeping line. Okay. So which letter will form? Letter A. Very good, my dears. Good. You are writing so beautiful. Slanting line, and then sleeping line. So which letter will form? Letter A. Which letter is this? Letter A. You have to write in your notebook letter A. A for apple. A for arrow. A for aeroplane. A for ant. Okay, so which letter will form? Letter A. You have to color the letter A and you have to color this pictures also. Okay, so today we have made letter A. So write neatly. Okay, write neatly in your notebook and make wonderful pictures and color it properly. Okay. So which letter is this? Letter A. Now you will repeat after me. Repeat it with me. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for ant. A for arrow. A for alligator. Okay. Which letter is this? Letter A. Which letter is this? Letter A. How we will write letter A? By, look here, slanting line, and then sleeping line. So which letter will form? Letter A. Slanting line, and then sleeping line. So which letter will form? Letter A. A for apple. A for arrow. Arrow indicates direction. What does arrow? Arrow indicate the direction. Okay. A for aeroplane. A for ant. You see an ant? Black ant, red color ant. Okay. Then you have to make A like this. So write neatly in your notebook. What you have to do? Write neatly in your notebook. Okay. Now, are you ready? Are you ready for rhyme? Okay. Today we have done letter A. So we will say the rhyme. Okay. Which rhyme is this? Apple rhyme. Which rhyme is this? Apple rhyme. So all of you stand up. Jump. First jump all of you. Jump, 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 jump. Stop. Okay. Now, are you ready to say the rhymes? Yes or not? I can't able to hear you. Say loudly. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, rosy red apple high in the tree. Please, Mr. Wind, blow one down to me. Again. Rosy red apple apple. This is red apple now. Rosy red apple high in the tree. Please, Mr. Wind, blow one down to me. Okay? Again we will repeat this. Are you enjoying the rhyme? Oh, again. Rosy red apple high in the tree. Please, Mr. Wind, blow one down to me. Blow one down to me. Okay? Yes, very good. Okay, complete your work neatly and properly. And be safe at your home. Okay? We will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye and have a nice day.